So I'm always looking for new products and new brands to bring to you so I can show them to you. So when Rapoo reached out to me and said, would you like to check out our new mouse? I said, sure, bring it on. I want to see it. I want to test it. Let's check it out. So we are going to be checking out the Rapoo VT2 Max. But before we do that, we need to see what's in the box. All right, so let's check out what's actually in this box. This actually has a really nice shine to it. I love the design of the actual box. And I love this little ribbon that helps us take it out. So let's pull this out. Looks like they made sure that the box wasn't going to accidentally open, so they added 2 seals here. We're going to break both of these. And now we have a little tab here that allows us to open up the box. Now let's take out our mouse, and this is actually the mouse itself. And before we look at the mouse, we're going to check the inside of the box. There's actually a box in here with all of the accessories. Let me pull that out so we can check that out first. So the first thing that came out is actually the cable itself. This is the charging cable because this is a wireless mouse, but I'm sure you can probably just use it wired as well. They include a few stickers. Let's actually check these out to see what they are. We have what looks to be some type of grippy sticker, more grippy stickers, and of course a starter guide. Last but not least, we have the wireless receiver. And of course, now we are going to take a look at the mouse itself. So I like that it actually comes very protected with a little film over it. And there's the mouse. So this is everything that you get in the box. You get the long cable that's included. You get the receiver. You get these little pads that actually go on the bottom of the mouse that help you move the mouse around. You get some grip stickers so you can put on the mouse itself. You get your quick starter guide. And of course, you get the VT2 Max. So let's talk specs. The Rapoo VT2 Max has a nice ergonomic feel that fits both small and big hands. It's very lightweight, coming in at only 53 grams, so if you like the lightweight feel and easy mobility, this will be perfect for you. The VT2 features a 10 to 30,000 DPI range, so whether you're a high DPI gamer or low, it's got you covered. This is achievable due to the PAW 3950 Ultimate sensor that comes in the VT2 Max. This also allows the VT2 Max to have an IPS of 750, which means that the sensor can read your movements much more rapidly, which is crucial for competitive gaming. As for battery life, the VT2 Max has an 800 milliamp battery. Rapoo has this rated at up to 750 hours. But of course, this depends on the hertz setting you use for the polling rate. With a range from 120 hertz all the way up to 8,000 hertz, and a battery life ranging from 750 hours at 1,000 hertz to 100 hours at 8,000 hertz, this gives you options. Of course, this also changes the response time, so the range is from 0.125 milliseconds up to 8 milliseconds. So if you are just working or doing homework on your computer, you can make the battery last longer and easily change it to a higher polling rate for gaming. Charging to full takes about 2 to 3 hours, which is done through the 6-foot Type-C to A cable included with your mouse. This cable also allows you to use the mouse wired in case that is your preference. Spec-wise, the VT2 Max sounds like a pro-grade wireless mouse that gives you a competitive edge in work and play without draining your wallet. So one thing that I want to mention, which is my personal opinion, is that the mouse is very light, but this isn't necessarily bad because I, for example, have problems with my wrists. My wrists are constantly hurting. I'm not entirely sure why. I should probably get that checked, but the lightweight of this mouse allows me to easily be able to move back and forth and play video games without any pain. So I want to thank Rapoo for actually reaching out to me and sending this mouse to us so we can test. I've now had it for a few days and I do like the mouse. Of course, I got to see in time how it does, and maybe I'll make another video of it. So it looks like we have yet another option for our mouse selections. If you want to check out the mouse yourself, I will leave a link in the description below so you can easily find this product. Make sure to also check out the VT2 Max on Amazon and use code LUCKYS10 for 10% off. Not only that, Rapoo actually has Black Friday deals going on right now. They get you up to 15% off, but you can even get an extra 10% off if you use code RESYMBIO, and that's RESYMBIO with a 10 at the end, which will bring your price down to $27. So that's cool and all, but I can't leave without telling you to go ahead and check out their website because the VT2 Max also comes in different flavors of colors. So you're probably gonna find something on there that suits you. Let me know in the comments down below if you already own this mouse and what you think about it. I wanna hear from you. And remember, code RESYMBIO can be used on the Rapoo US Amazon store.